Hi, I'm Patrick Loda with MarineMax Ship Bottom, New Jersey. Today we're looking at a very new clean trade-in 2019 Sea Ray 350 SLX, one of the most popular boats out there on the market. This particular boat has the ivory interior, has the gray sea deck throughout, has a nice wet bar here with the Corian tops. Okay, nice little extra storage. Your sink right here. Nice trash receptacle and a refrigerator. You have, if you look up top here, this is the opening skylight, as they call it. So this way it'll give you the shade when you're just kind of hanging around at the dock, or when you're out tooling around and you enjoy the sun, you can have that open up and really enjoy yourself. It's really, again, about when you're out at the shoals, you know, enjoying yourself, you know, family time, friends, anchored up. If you look also too, we have a lot of excellent seating here, big wraparound for all your guests, extra cup holders here on the back. You have a seat back here on the back with a nice improved lid, so this way when you're not using the boat, it seals it up. If you look forward up here in the boat, you can have the twin helm chairs, which do move forward and aft. With the also, if you zone in here, with the thigh-rise seating. This also too is powered by the twin Mercruiser 8.1s, 370 horsepower with the joystick piloting, so it makes that docking an ease. Also has the sky hook that you can put on pause when you're getting dock lines, or if nature calls and you need to use the head. This also too has the twin 9-inch screens here on the dash, which is from Simrad. All your electronics, engine data, everything is into this system. This has the nice stainless push button switches here. All right, the sea deck flooring throughout. You also have the small changing area and or a small little area for somebody small to take a nap, or, you know, just kind of relax. Stainless steel trim here on the top of the windshield. It's standard on this. It used to be an upgrade. Really, you know, Sea Ray really keeps that look going out there. You have a nice setup here in the front. You have plenty of room, entertaining. Again, if you're out there with your family, you're anchored up, you're swimming, you're enjoying yourself, or just going for that cruise after work, or just enjoying the times. Also has a windlass, and it also has a stainless steel anchor up on the front, so it keeps it real nice and shiny. Everything ready to go. The color of the boat is it's the Sea Ray Blue. And it also has a cockpit cover and a bow cover. So this boat can be shown at any time here in MarineMax Ship Bottom, 609-494-2102. Again, I'm Patrick Loda, happy to talk with you and show you this boat. Have a good day.